Welcome to the Rusty Bartender's Christmas Advent Calendar. Today's cocktail is the Christmas Baileys coffee made by the special guest bartender, Ronan from Whiskey for Breakfast. Before we start, there is a competition ongoing. All you have to do is watch some videos, find some Easter eggs. Details are below in the description. You can win a cocktail book, a cocktail shaker, and some other goodies, and it's open to anywhere in the world. As I said in the intro, our guest bartender today is Ronan from Whiskey for Breakfast. This lad has a bit of an accent, but you know what? He is great at what he does. He has one of the most underrated Instagram and YouTube accounts ever. Like, you need to go watch his reviews on Irish whiskies. Absolutely amazing, banging. He explains them so well and in a way that you're gonna find so entertaining. Trust me, go check it out. I will leave the links to all his stuff in the description below. Anyway, over to you, Ronan.
Oh my God, look at that. Oh, it's so good. Before you start throwing stuff in, make sure you have all of your ingredients in front of you. You've got some chocolate, maybe to dust on top because you like it that way. You have your espresso, maybe instant coffee if that's what you're into. Then you've got your cream. This is big double cream, all right? If you want to do the whole, go for it as well. And then of course Baileys. I'm going for the Baileys Espresso cream. I want as much of that coffee in this Baileys coffee as I can get, all right? And also a big long spoon like this if you have one. If not, a teaspoon's okay, or even a chopstick is grand. Depends on the size of the glass really, but you just want something that you can stir and then maybe even float that cream on. And of course your glass. I'm going old school with this glass. My mum makes her Baileys coffees at Christmas in this glass, so it brings back all that nostalgia. You know what I'm saying? One of the tips you need to do now is heat the glass. So get some hot water and just put it into the glass. Just like that. Maybe that's too much, but this is just to heat the glass. So when you get this coffee or you're giving it to somebody else, it is so toasty. Now we always put our cheapest ingredient in first, and I have a little bit of a sweet tooth when it comes to this drink, right? It's a Christmas drink. Okay, so I'm gonna put 5 grams, which is about 1 teaspoon of brown sugar into the bottom of my glass. Then I'm gonna pour in my double shot of espresso. Oh, I love the smell of that top tip, right? This is a coffee drink. So if you want it to be the best it can be, use the best coffee you can get your hands on. Next, using my jigger, I'm gonna put in 60 mils of my Baileys. Nice. Now is a good time to give it a stir. And you really just wanna make sure all of those sugar granules have been diluted around the drink. And finally, because you want this drink to be served beautiful and warm, we're gonna top it up with a little bit of that hot water. Just to about there, maybe like a finger from the top. Now, when it comes to the floating of the cream, people get really nervous about this. They don't really know what to do, but don't worry, I'll tell you a wee tip. I've seen some people like whip it and it's really peaked, and it's actually very hard to drink through, or sometimes it's so heavy it floats to the bottom. So what you should do is get a little protein shaker and just shake it 5 or 6 times max, and then just float it on top. All right, watch. Look, you see the protein shaker and the wee ball inside? That's the cream. I'm just gonna shake it 5 or 6 times. There we go, that was 6 times. And that's just gonna add a little bit of air. Not too much, but just a little bit. So then we can just float this on top. Like, look at that. That was so easy. And it looks so good. And finally, because we're baller, it's Christmas, we love a bit of decadence. We are gonna upgrade our Baileys with some freshly grated chocolate. You know you have loads of chocolate lying about. Right, go get some, get your grater, and just grate it on top. Trust me, you won't regret it. Oh yeah, the smell. Oh my God, look at that. Happy holidays. Oh, it's so fun, look at that. Oh, I better drink it before I spill it everywhere. Oh, it's so good.
Looks banging, Ronan. Cannot wait to taste this. And when I'm over in Belfast, or even Dublin in January, we're gonna meet up for a few pints. I wanna say a few could get messy. Anyway, let's give it a little taste, see what's going on. See the chocolate on top? That's what's gonna make this drink, I tell you. Scintillating that is. Lots of coffee coming through. Anyway, what have I forgotten? Oh, maybe a little Christmas quote. Oh, the silent majesty of a winter's morn, the clean, cool chill of the holiday air. An asshole in his bathrobe, emptying the chemical toilets into my sewer. See you on the next one.